Good day. The Council of Ministries is holding an extraordinary meeting today here at the Ministry of Finance to review a financial audit that is ongoing by the Ernst & Young, which is a globally recognized audit firm, to conduct an independent review. The audit, initiated for transparency following a government resolution issued in 2021 to 2023, and its current key findings are being discussed today. The meeting includes presidents and executive of public enterprises and institutions and all members of government. Stay tuned for the following updates. From the Ministry of Finance, Tatoli reports.